All right, what's up, everyone? It's your boy Dio, and this is Frankla.com. I'm right now at Gigaberlin. I like calling it Giga. And this is the drive unit section. It's growing crazily. Let me first start with the importance of Tesla in Berlin. As Elon Musk has said, it's very important for Tesla to meet volume production. And the best way for Tesla to reach volume production so as to remain profitable, after 4 consecutive profitable quarters, is to expand, to grow crazily. So right now, that's why Tesla is building a factory in Berlin. And presently, Tesla is also building a factory in Texas. So according to Elon Musk, China factory is going to reach, I think his target is to have 1 million cars every year pumped out of Giga Shanghai. And hopefully in Berlin, we're going to be having like 500,000, also every year, perhaps closer to 1 million at a point. Yeah, so it's very important for Tesla, to reach volume production so as to remain profitable every quarter, And this is where I'm standing, guys, risking my fucking life here. So on this side of this factory, I like coming here. It's 7 o'clock right now, the sun has set, and I'm here. I'm trying to see what Gigaberlin looks like after, in the afternoon or in the evening, after almost all the workers have gone home. And to my surprise, work is presently going on here. I mean, this is live, guys. They are still bringing in materials. These people don't sleep here, man. They don't sleep. They work like morning, afternoon, evening, night, just to, meet volume production. So Elon Musk has emphasized several times that manufacturing is extremely hard. And having a prototype is one thing, but building the machine that produces the machine is even much more difficult. It's like order of 10 magnitude, like he always say it. So you guys can see work is going on right now. They are bringing in some prefabricated concrete, and this is live, guys. It's crazy. The progress of this factory is crazy. I was here like 4 weeks ago when Elon Musk visited, and the progress was not as much as this. And according to Evan, the Gigameister, they call him, the master of the factory, the guy that is in charge of, managing all these projects. 3 weeks ago, the factory was about 20% complete. And right now, it's like, I think 30%, because I can't see most of the parts, When you go down, deep down there, there's a lot of work going on back there, guys. I mean, when you check out drone footage from Toby and Eugen, you could see the back side of this factory, like right there, So right now, this is where I am, and I can't see much of the work from this angle. But of course, I was down there, and I could see a lot of progress. And also, I drove at the back, so I could see a lot of work going on right there, guys. It's crazy what is going on right here. The progress is insane. So this is live work right now of some workers, making sure the progress of this factory. Right now it's about 7 o'clock. You can see the sun has set. When I was coming, the sun was still a little bit up, and I was hoping I would come here earlier and take some nice sunset photos for you guys, but unfortunately I came in late. So yeah, this is the crazy work going on right here. Gigaberlin, guys, I'm Dio, and this is Frontla.com. Look how massive that crane is. It's insane, guys. This is insane. Wow. Let me zoom it a little bit so that you guys can at least. The progress, guys, is crazy. This is life. So it's very important for Tesla to meet volume production, so as to remain profitable, to meet up with demand, since demand is huge, more than supply. Tesla BS, like analysts like Gordon Johnson are going to argue like Tesla is not going to meet up with, or Tesla doesn't have demand, and Tesla has demand problem, blah blah blah. Why would Tesla be building this huge factory if the demand is not there? It's very, very important. And according to Elon Musk, Tesla is also going to be in every continent. I think Tesla is still going to put another factory in China, and probably they are going to put a factory in Japan as well. So guys, this is no joke. This is no joke. Gigaberlin, guys, look how beautiful it is right now. I'm still gonna come back here tomorrow and take a beautiful shot for you guys. That is the drive unit. It's completely covered up. You guys can see the entrance right here for the. Here you have the entrance. It's all covered up. Beautiful view right here. Crazy progress going on right here. So I remain your boy Dio, and this is Frontla.com, guys. If you are new on my channel, please subscribe, and please remember to hit the like button so that other Tesla investors can see this video. Thank you very much, guys, and have a wonderful evening. Gigaberlin.